I don't know, man. Just, I guess, record everything. I'll edit whatever out. I can't. Nah, don't have no trash angle. Damn. All right. I can't stop. Cause you're gonna slow down, come right over, pull them over. It's like, give me 2 minutes. This is my white car. The way these cops out here. I say, forget that dude.
Yeah, that nigga trying to go to jail. I don't know what the fuck he
He said, give me 10 minutes. I don't know anymore, buddy.
He might have to go to jail his damn self.
Yeah.
I'll send you his shit. Go ahead. Do what you gonna do. Go ahead, nigga. You gonna get booked? Oh, yeah. You better have some lawyer money.
I ain't gonna lie, I do wanna have fun, but I ain't trying to get...
When it's broad day. It's not even like it's night, bro. When them niggas not out.
I wish we got that You're or some video.
Got the pull.
Yeah, where'd they go? Oh, they still right there. He probably watching that BMW too. I think this is... Alright guys, we are back with another video. You ready, Dada? You ain't ready. So right now we're actually going to meet up with one of the guys that we met in traffic. Right now he got a BMW X5 that we about to pull up on and see. So probably within the next minute or so, you'll be seeing a BMW X5. Cleaning that thing. So stay tuned. Give us about like 2 minutes and I'll turn the video back on. Oh, you about that? Here you go, hold it up. I'm about to get some more gas. Oh, wait. Oh, dang. Alright. Never mind. He getting started early. About that. Nah, I'm gonna actually just get some gas real quick. Hold on. Yeah, hold up. Yep. I'm gonna gas up real quick. Real quick. Let's leave. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
If I had a choice.
You, right?
Yeah.
How many mileage?
25,000.
25,000?
Yeah.
25 kilos, huh?
Nah, it's only 2020.
2020?
Yeah. Just keep it clean, man.
It's 2025 is different model, right? It's changed,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. I like the electric. Yeah. I don't.
It's that good. I like it.
Yeah, I don't like no electric, man. Electric, not for me.
I don't like it electric, and electric is fun.
Exactly.
We're going to 63.
Okay. Dada, what the? You got it still recording, but it's down. Hold it up. Just do. See that? he got the Supra up there too. Oh, yeah. What'd he do to that? Oh, that Buick is nuts. Alright, that's fine. Alright, guys. So right now you about to wherever that is. I just agree. Oh, I hate this focus. Pops is crazy. You on car to hold it down or you? You don't look like you sleep back there. Pop, 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 pop. Barbecue. Dada, what's up with your Amazon drivers, dog? Oh, here go this guy. None against that, but I've just been seeing everybody all day ask for money. Ain't that probably like the 5th person? Pops is nice. Sounds good. You hear that? Yeah, you gonna hold it down right quick? So y'all can get it. Don't drop it.
Yo, if I hear sweaty, I ain't going.
Oh, you heard that? You heard that pop? He switched from lane 1 to lane 4. Dog, I just look at 95. Oh, that dude. Yeah, he about to line it up. See, look. Hold it. Get it up. 60? Alright.
You got a 40 and a 60.
Alright. 60 first?
Okay, yeah, get 60.
Alright. probably won't be able to get it. It sounds good. Hopefully y'all can hear it because my car is kind of loud too. Hopefully after when we're done I can get a walk around of his car. I think talk.
We need that to come out the hood.
Yeah.
See what's under that motherfucker.
Here, hold that. Oh. Okay.
This nigga crazy trying to do that jam like this. No.
All right, guys. So right now, about to get a little walk around this car. You got a BMW X5. Jam on fire. Still looks nice. You like it? Would you ever sell it? Would you ever sell it? Like, would you ever sell it for another car?
Hell?
Yeah.
No.
you love it? Yeah. Oh.
Only like 1 year.
Oh, okay. All-wheel drive, right?
I'm truck driver. I'm not any time.
Oh,
trucking,
okay.
You know?
Oh.
I'm truck driver. My license is professional. You know.
Okay.
Maybe police stop it. It's
Yeah,
cancel my
yeah,
driver license.
I know,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Because professional, you make a lot of money driving too. Pretty nice. I thought about doing professional before. What company you drive for? If you don't mind.
I'm in
Oh,
big company in Chicago.
overstate?
Yeah. Chicago.
Well, over the road, I mean.
Yeah, I go in California.
Oh, wow. See a lot of nice things, right?
All America states, you know.
All right. That's nice. I got some people that have BMW. Like, one of my friends, he got a M340i, like turbos and that.
M340 is
Yeah.
not high,
No, it's not high, but hey, the way he make it look,
I have-
it look nice.
My friend is have M5, F10, you know.
Really?
Yeah, he's.
Wow.
You call me after 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
Me everybody go
Everybody-
too many cars.
I know. So I hear it like all day, just flying.
Today
up
you
and-
driving?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, I call you. Is everybody go outside? I call you. Okay.
All right, that's
after
fine.
3-4 hours.
All right, that's fine. When it dies
Okay.
down, yeah.
Go, brother. No, I call you after 3-4 hours. Okay.
All right, that's fine. I'm
Trying to bring niggas to jail.